Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We have got the most gorgeous little mulberry to show you today. So this is a mulberry satchel and you can see that the whole of this exterior is in this lovely tan coloured suede which feels really soft and it gives it a lovely kind of slouchy flexible feel. So a gorgeous little satchel. It has got one long strap and I really like these leather plaited features on either side of that strap. And it's also adjustable, so we've got it on the longest setting at the minute and you can make it a little bit shorter. We have a flap closure and that has got a belt fasten as well as a little feature turn lock there. So you can undo it with that belt or you can just pop that turn lock open as well. And then inside, again, we've got suede on that flap closure and then the mulberry tree fabric lining. And we've got the little mulberry badge just here with that mulberry tag, and then we also have one zipped pocket, and that zip you can see still works perfectly. The condition of this one we have called the exterior fair. You can see, just get that closed, you can see on that suede there is a fair bit of marking on it, kind of small little scratches, and there's just kind of wear all over that exterior, and you can see it's got a little bit squished on that trim there. But I'll just show you all over. The leather actually is still in a very nice condition, so all of that strap is still really nice. But it's just mostly for that suede that we've called it fair. But I don't think that it actually takes away from the bag. I think it adds some character to it, and you wouldn't be afraid to use it. It's just would be a gorgeous everyday little satchel. The interior we've called good. There's a little bit of marking on the suede on that flap, but that fabric lining, I forgot to point out in the features, there is actually another little flat pocket on the front side of that interior. It's all really lovely in there, all that fabric lining. There's no particular signs of wear or marks for me to show you in there. We've just called it good condition, mostly because of that little bit of marking on that suede flap. And then the hardware we've called fair, and that is mostly for this plaque on the front where this turn lock is. You can see that it's just got scratching over that plaque, but the other hardware, so you can see those little mulberry strap loops, they're really nice and they're still lovely and shiny, got a lovely gold tone, and we've just mostly called it fair for that plaque there which has got that scratching on it. So that is the condition of this satchel. If you would like the exact measurements for it, go to the link in the description below. It's the link to shop this exact bag on our website, so armcandybagco.com. So if you are interested, click that link and you'll find a few more details on it. If you click that link and it just takes you to our generic product page instead of directly to this bag, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But if you've seen it and you've fallen in love with it on our YouTube and you get to our website and it's gone, don't worry, we can get you on our request list. It's really easy to do that. All you have to do is send us over an email or fill out the contact us form, which you'll find on our website. Let us know that you love this and we'll get you on our request list, and as soon as we get in another one like it, you'll be one of the first to know. You can hopefully get in there nice and quickly. So that's the request list. As I said, the exact measurements are going to be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and I'm 5'4", and again we've got that strap on the longest setting at the minute, so you can pop it on your shoulder like that, or I prefer it as a crossbody like this, and it sits on the perfect height on me. And again, it's just a really lovely casual little satchel that you'd want to use all the time, every day. So if you're looking for a gorgeous little mulberry bag, don't forget to go to the link in the description below, sign up to our newsletter on our website and we'll send you through your welcome discount code, and also have a look at the House Sell Us page. So if you're interested in selling any of your Armcandy, we'd love to see what we've got for us, so have a read through that process, like this video also while you're here, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and then you don't miss out on any beautiful bags like this one that we have to show you, and we'll be back very soon with some more.